I'm Richard Ta, I run Super Renders Farm. The RTX 5090 shipped over a year ago, with its launch benchmarks. We didn't run another one, we put the cards in the queue on April 1st and watched 7 weeks of real jobs, tracking 4 things. Speed, denoising, VRAM tail, and stability. The first is speedup, across 38 scenes that ran on both the new cards and our previous generation. The median frame came back about 3.2 times faster. The range was wide, though, 1.6 to 5.1x. Production never has just one number. Secondly, AI denoising. Here's the part one didn't expect, the AI denoiser was already doing most of the cleanup. On about 83% of our cycles jobs, and the same rate on the old hardware. The 5090 didn't bring AI to the pipeline. It just made everything around an already routine step faster. Thirdly, its VRAM tail. Memory is a tail story. Most scenes barely touch it, under 6 gigabytes. But the heaviest job wanted 37, past even the 5090's 32. The kind of job that falls back to CPU, or won't render on the GPU at all. You size hardware for the tail, not the median. Finally, stability. And the least dramatic finding is the one I'd want before buying. One driver the whole window, 0 churn. And 99.6% of nearly 4,900 tasks finished. None of this is a benchmark, it's production data. Messy, honest, more useful for it. Up next, power tests, the controlled bench, and the next card.